If you're planning to become a licensed contractor in Virginia, here's a step-by-step guide to help you through the process. We'll keep it simple and walk through exactly what you need to do from start to finish. Step 1. Register your business in Virginia. Before you apply for a license, you'll need to make your business official. That means registering your business through the Virginia Business One-Stop portal. If you plan to hire employees, you'll also need to register with the Virginia Employment Commission. Both registrations can be done online, and you'll need them in place before moving on. Step 2. Decide on your license class and specialty. Virginia offers 3 license classes, A, B, and C, and you'll need to pick the one that matches the size of the projects you plan to take on. Class A is for large jobs over $120,000 or $750,000 total in a year. Class B is for mid-sized jobs, up to $120,000 and $500,000 per year. Class C is for smaller jobs that don't go over $10,000 per project. You'll also choose your specialty, like electrical, plumbing, or general building. This matters because you'll need someone on your team called the qualified individual who has the right experience for that specialty. They're the one responsible for the technical side of your work. Step 3. Take the required 8-hour pre-license education course. Everyone applying for a contractor license in Virginia has to complete this course. It covers the basics of running a contracting business, things like contracts, codes, and business practices. If you're applying for a Class A or B license, either someone from your company's leadership or a designated employee needs to take it. For Class C, any responsible person in the business can take the course. You can usually take the class online, and it must be done through an approved provider. Step 4. Pass the business exam if required. If you're going for a Class A license, the designated employee must pass a 3-part exam. That includes a general business section, a Virginia-specific law section, and an advanced portion. For Class B, you'll take only the general and Virginia law parts. If you're applying for Class C, no exam is needed. Exam fees depend on how many sections you take, $85 for all 3 and $72 for 2. There are practice tests and prep courses out there, which can help if you're not familiar with the material. Step 5. Meet the financial requirements or get a bond. To get licensed, Class A and B applicants need to show a minimum net worth: $45,000 for Class A, $15,000 for Class B. If your business doesn't meet the net worth requirement, you can provide a $50,000 surety bond instead. It's a way to guarantee financial responsibility without having the cash or equity on hand. Class C applicants don't have to meet any financial threshold. Step 6. Complete the application and gather all documents. Once you've done the course, passed the exam, if needed, and met the financial requirements, it's time to fill out the application. You can find the form on the Virginia Board for Contractors website. There are 2 versions, one that you can fill out and submit online, and one that you can print and fill in by hand. Along with your application, you'll need to include proof of your net worth, or the surety bond, a contractor experience verification form, and documentation showing that your qualified individual meets the experience requirements for the specialty. Take your time with this step. Missing or incorrect info can delay approval. Step 7. Submit your application and pay the licensing fee. You can mail your completed application to the Department of Professional and Occupational Regulation in Richmond. The address will be listed on the form. There's a non-refundable license fee you'll need to include: $385 for Class A, $370 for Class B, and $235 for Class C. Once submitted, processing usually takes around 30 days. If everything checks out, they'll mail your license directly to you. Licenses are good for 2 years, starting from the month they're issued.